sunny day, the duck family went out for a walk. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Stay in line. Quack, quack. Stay in line. Quack, quack. You did it wrong again, ugly duckling. I'm sorry. That afternoon, the ducklings met Mrs. Hen by the pond. Hello, pretty darlings.
Hello, Miss Hen.
Oh, hold on. Who are you over there?
I'm the youngest duckling, Mrs. Hen.
Really? You look different. You are ugly. Mrs. Hen teased the ugly duckling and laughed at him.
I don't want to play with you, ugly duckling. You are not one of us. You don't belong here. Stay away from us. Ugly, ugly.
The ugly duckling was very sad because nobody liked him. The ugly duckling was so lonely that he decided to run away from the farm.
Maybe I'm not really one of them. Then who am I?
One day, the ugly duckling saw a beautiful swan swimming by the lake.
Wow, you look gorgeous. Swan, will I ever be beautiful?
Of course. You will be beautiful someday.
I wish I was a beautiful swan like you.
The ugly duckling continued to walk around. The ugly duckling ran into a hunting dog.
Oh, I'm scared.
The ugly duckling got nearly hit by a car. The ugly duckling helped a sick friend.
Don't worry, Frog. I'll help you. Thanks, ugly duckling.
The ugly duckling began to feel a little happier. The weather got colder and colder. It was finally winter.
I'm cold. I'm cold.
The ugly duckling was walking in the snow. Then he saw a house. She felt pity for the ugly duckling.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. It's very warm here.
The old lady took care of the ugly duckling. The ugly duckling felt happy with her. However, the cat was not happy with the ugly duckling.
Hey, you, ugly duckling. Yes, cat. I can't live with you. Go away. Why?
The old lady loves only you. Get out, or I will eat you. The ugly duckling was very scared of the cat. He left the old lady's house. The ugly duckling was lonely again. Then spring came.
Hey there, swans. Beautiful swans. Hello, swans.
Hello, hello.
When will I ever be beautiful like you?
Look at you. You are already beautiful.
What do you mean?
The ugly duckling saw himself in the water.
Goodness! I'm changed. I am a swan. I am a beautiful swan.
The ugly duckling learned he was a swan. He was not lonely anymore. He lived with the swans happily ever after.